Today I'm going to paint some autumn trees and foliage in this landscape I'm working on. So I've already painted my base background layer of trees. So what that's done is set a pattern or mood for me to follow for all my trees. I don't have to worry about white in the canvas showing through because I've got a layer over the entire area I'm working on. And I can just paint my trees following this pattern and retaining the mood that I've already started. Autumn trees and foliage is done. And if you enjoyed this video, then please like it. Or if you'd like to be notified when I add more videos in the future, simply subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Also, if you're interested in viewing or purchasing any reprints of my art, including this one once I finish it and put it on my website, please check out my website at jonathanschlichterartist.com.